Alright, let's compare the top specifications of the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra with the Unihertz Tank 3 Pro. It's going to be a side-by-side specifications comparison. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it.
Perfect.
So there we go, guys. Which of the two devices do you think is equipped with the best specs in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.